this is a Taylor series. We shall go to the next sessions. So this is a problem number 2. So expand e power x log of 1 plus y in powers of x and y up to third degree terms by using Taylor series. So here is the points are not given. This is a very important one. In powers of x and y means we can take them as a origin point. That means 0, 0. So a is 0, b is 0. Suppose points are given means we can take a equal to given points, b equal to given points. In powers of x and y is given means, so these are nothing but that is passing through the origin points. So we can take x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So this question is up to third degree terms by using Taylor series. So e power x log of 1 plus y, that is your functions. So first we can write the Taylor series formula. F of x comma y equal to f of a comma b plus 1 by 1 factorial h into fx of a comma b plus k into fy of a comma b plus 1 by 2 factorial h square of f double x of a comma b plus 2 hk of fx y of a comma b plus k square f double y of a comma b, then third degree terms. So first find 1 by 1. So what is the given functions? F of x comma y equal to e power x log of 1 plus y. That is the given functions. So first here is we can find 1 by 1 here. Okay. So first with respect to x here. So what is fx? Differentiation of e power x is e power x. We can write log 1 plus y as it is. Next with respect to y means e power x is constant term. Differentiation of log x. What is log x? 1 by x. X in terms of 1 plus y. So therefore we can write 1 divided by 1 plus y. Okay, this is the first derivative. Next we can go to the second derivative, f double x. So already we know first derivative fx. So again differentiation of e power x is e power x, then log 1 plus y we can write as it is. Next fxy. So fx we know what is e power x log 1 plus y. Again with respect to y means e power x is constant term, we can write as it is. Differentiations with respect to y, that is log 1 plus y is 1 by 1 plus y. So next f double y. So already we know fy. So again we have to differentiate this one. So write e power x as it is. So this one is we can take 1 by x form. What is the differentiation of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. Therefore 1 divided by 1 plus y square. So here is we can put minus here. So next put the point 0, 0. So first we can take x is 0, y is 0. E power 0 is 1. Then log of 1 plus 0, that is log 1. What is log 1? Log 1 is 0. So 0 into 1 is 0. Next fx. So put x equal to 0. E power 0 is 1. And again log 1 is 0. So we get 0. So next put x equal to 0. E power 0 is 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 into 1. E power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Then next f double x. So put x equal to 0 means e power 0 and log 1 is must be 0. Next x equal to 1 means e power 0 is 1. 1 divided by y is 0 means we get 1. So 1 by 1 is we get 1. Then e power x is 0. So we get 1. 1 by 1 plus 1 whole square is 1 plus 0 is 1 by 1 square, that is 1. So minus 1. So this is up to second derivative. So there is a is 0, b is 0. So h equal to x minus a. What is h here? X. Then k equal to y minus b. Then k equal to y. So replace in the formulas. So this is a second derivative. So next we can go to the third derivative. So f triple x. So f triple x means follow the second derivative. So again with respect to x means differentiation of e power x is e power x. So we wrote remaining thing is log of 1 plus y. We can write as it is. That one is over. Then f double x y. So already we know the f double x. Again with respect to y means, so e power x is constant term. With respect to y means, so log of 1 plus y is nothing but 1 by 1 plus y. Then fx double y. Fx double y means we know the f double y value. With respect to x means what is differentiation of e power x? Again e power x. So minus 1 divided by 1 plus y square. We can write as it is. Then f triple y. So what is f triple y? Already we know the f double y. Again with respect to y means e power minus e power x is constant. We can write as it is. Differentiation of 1 by x square is 2 by x cube. That is a formula. So that is, so 2 divided by 1 plus y whole cube, that is minus 2. So we get minus or minus plus 1. So we get 2 e power x into 1 by 1 plus y whole cube. Then replace x equal to 0, y equal to 0. This one is already no. So that one is 0. Then this one is 1. then this one is minus 1, here is we get minus 2 here. Then substitute all the values from the given formulas. F double x, what is f of 0 comma 0? First value is 0. Then second value x, that is h is nothing but x into 0 plus y into 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial, x square into 0 plus 2xy into 1 plus y square into minus 1. Xy is nothing but h into k, h is x, k is y. So replace all the values and simplifying this one, we get y plus 1 by 2 into 2xy minus y square plus 1 by 6 into 3x square y minus 3xy square plus 2y cube. So these are solutions for the second problem. So important thing is the value is not given means in the power series of x and y means we can take 0 comma 0. That is the procedures. Okay. So next we go to the next problem here. So expand e power x sin y in powers of x and y up to third degree terms using Taylor series. So first write the Taylor's formulas, we can write as it is. So I am not tell again here. So this one is familiar one. So what is h here? H is nothing but x minus 0. So we get x. Y is nothing but y minus 0. We get y. So first we can find 1 by 1 here. Okay. So first we can take what is fx. First we can write fx comma y equal to e power x sin y. So put 0 comma 0 means e power 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Therefore 1 into 0 is 0. Then fx means first differentiate with respect to x. E power x means we get e power x, sin y is constant term, we can write as it is. Fy means we can take e power x as it is, differentiation of sin is cos y. Then put e comma 0 comma 0 here. E power 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, so we get 0. E power 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, so we get 1 here. Then second derivative. F double x is e power x and sin y by using the single derivatives. Fxy means again by using a single derivative with respect to y, we get e power x cos y. F double y means again by go through the single derivative with respect to y, again with respect to y means so minus e power x sin y. Okay. Then put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. This one is 0, cos 0 is 1, e power 0 is 1, we get 1. Then sin 0 is 0, so this one is 0. Then we can go through the triple x by using the second derivative. So differentiation of e power x is e power x, sin y we can write as it is. Then f double x of y means again here is the second derivative with respect to y means e power x means e power x we can write as it is. Differentiation of sin is we get cos y. Then f double x, fx double y. So already we know the y. Again with respect to x means differentiation of e power x is e power x. So minus sin y we can write as it is. Then f triple y means so write e power minus x is as it is in the second derivative. Then differentiation of sin is we get cos, so cos y. Then put 0 comma 0 here. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, then sin 0 0, cos 0 is minus 1, and e power 0 is 1 here. So put x equal to h equal to x minus a equal to 0 means h equal to x, k equal to y minus b, so k equal to y. So replace in the formulas. So write on all the values in that formulas, then expand and simplify this one, we get y plus xy plus 1 by 2 x square y minus 1 by 6 y cube. So this is another very important problem. So these are basic simplifications, we can write as it is here. Okay. So next, this is the last problem for the Taylor series. Obtained the Taylor series expansions of x cube plus y cube plus xy square in terms of powers of x minus y and y minus 2 up to the third degree terms. So these are also third degree terms. So write down the formula for Taylor series. Then write the functions f of x comma y, x cube plus y cube plus xy square. The point is not given here, so that is point is given in terms of x minus y and y minus 2. What is a here? X minus a is 1, y minus b is 2. This is a very important one. This is not 0 0. So 1 comma 2 here. This a point is 1 comma 2, not 0 0 here. Okay, just take the corrections here. The point is 1 comma 2, not 0 0. Okay, again explain here. So x minus a means here is we get a is 1, b is 2. Okay, so this is replace 1 comma 2. So first the put x equal to 1, y equal to, we get 1 plus 8 plus 4, that is 13. Okay, then differentiation of fx, differentiation of fy, this is a familiar one, not that of first value. We can differentiate with respect to x and y, then put the point here, so we get 7 and 16. Then second derivative, then 6 4 14, then third derivative we get 6 0 2 6 here. So this is not a toughest one, just I can skip the derivations, so we can go through in the classwork. That is write down the classwork notes, and if you have any doubt means we can ask. Then substitute this value from the given your original formulas, we get the required solutions here. Okay, so this is a very important problem. Again tell here that this point is given in terms of x minus 1 and y minus 2. So a is 1, b is 2. Okay, x minus a is 1, b is 2. So be careful here. So this is a mistake here. So you can replace 1 comma 2 here. Again I can tell here. So 1 comma 2. Don't confuse here. Okay. So we will continue the next sessions. Okay. If you have any doubt means we can ask in the class. Okay. Thank you.